What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and have you ever thought about how you sign up your emails? Imagine that a good email center can make the email be replied faster, can make it looks more professional, can make you looks like an authority when you have a first contact. So email signatures, it's really important, and you can create a very good customized one, simple and for free, with an online tool that I'm gonna explain you how to use in today's video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just international sites favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, it's navigate to your Google, okay, and type signature hound, okay, just like this. You're gonna be into this site, you're gonna be into this page right here, okay. Signature is now completely free, and from here you're gonna be able to create your account. But let's explore how this tool and what this tool can do for you. They create this amazing email signatures that you can connect with any mailing service that you use. Imagine that you use Gmail, imagine that you use Microsoft email, Live, Outlook, any kind of email can be properly set up in a very simple way. So no need to worry, they're gonna guide you for all the process. And how to get it started. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to sign in, you have the free sign up, click on it. Right here, we're gonna need to enter with your first name, last name, email, and password. And soon you're gonna be able to receive an email just like this one right here, okay? To confirm your account, you must click into this link. Remember, this may be into your spam folder, okay? So review the spam section of your email. After this, you're gonna be able to log in on your account. Let me go to sign in. You're gonna click into this button right here to new signature, okay? You're gonna have your account confirmed, and you're gonna be into a page like this one. Click on new signature. They're gonna want to know about the business, okay? Gonna be, for my case, Visual Modo. Gonna be the signature name. Now move to next. And right here we have a custom template or a custom HTML template. There is a couple of good templates to play with, okay? You can choose any one that you like more, that works better for your needs, okay? Maybe this one, for example, it's a very good one. Try to make things simple and have only the important information for you, okay? For example, your name, your profession, your role, and your contact information, and maybe your photo, okay? This one, for example, the 2 columns 01, it's excellent for me. So what else we can do? Now, after templates, we have the personal info, okay? You can upload our picture. Let me use this photo. Now we have the name. The job title, the email, the telephone. All the information can be grabbed right here, and if you click, you can test how thing goes, okay? So after review every single part, we have business info, okay? After this, we can apply our social media links, we can apply personal address or not, okay? You can customize the links right here, okay? We have the design option. We can show or hide some icons, change the colors, change the font size, change the font family, the line height, the spacing, and every single part, okay? You can customize right here. Imagine that you prefer another color, for example, okay? Just like this, as an example. We have a call to action. In the case that you prefer, we can apply right here the image to be the call to action. Up to you, no need to worry. We have the disclaimer. You can apply a good disclaimer if you want. And we have the white label branding in the case that you prefer or not, okay? So this is important. After this, we can share or install signature. What we can do? We can install, click right here. Then they want to know what email services are you using. Imagine that you use Google Mail or Gmail or Outlook, for example. And we have Outlook, a couple of email. It's important that you choose the one that you use, okay, to be properly explaining how to apply. In my case, I'm using Outlook. And here, what I'm gonna do. Once logged in on Outlook.com account, click on Settings, Config, and top corner. With the sidebar settings menu open, view all Outlook settings, bottom right corner. Select Mail tab and then Compose Ready tab. Copy signature. This is the most important part. Please. Right here, we're gonna composite the signature on HTML. All we have to do is place this right here, okay, into HTML format, and we're gonna have things saved and our signature already working. If you have any other kind of email service, for example Google, the way changes a little bit, but works almost in the same way, okay? Of course, there is some problems. If you have, let me know into the comments so I can help you with it. But don't forget to check out our comment sections, okay? So it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in case you don't have any question. Don't forget to check out the Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where you can promote your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a place where you can submit your site, your blog, your mobile page, your landing design, your app design, your game, anything that you want to promote can be right here. You're going to be awarded and connecting with a growing designers community. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your WordPress website, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library and tools, including all our themes, plugins, templates, pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium icons, blocks, assets, tools, and many more features. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!